And also with the PNP director.
Okay, first of all, alam natin malapit na ang eleksyon. So what we are doing right now is anticipating violence. Anticipating, it's better to anticipate. Because come election, it will now be the COMELEC who will be in charge of everything. But what we could do right now is at the very least help the COMELEC. How? Pinpoint areas that probably have that probably are prone based on past histories and probably current criminal activities in that area. So in this regard, what the PNP could do, number one, is pursue these persons of interest, especially private army groups. Number two, loose firearms. Intensify loose firearms all over the country. And of course, yung mga area of concern, yung tinatawag natin mga checkpoints. But, intelligence report are very important here. That's the least that we need to really help identify this area first. Probably the chief then could
Yes, sir. What are the requirements for the security?
Tama po sa amin ng binamalak SFG. Right now, ang binibigyan po natin ng security is yung high security threat po. Yun ang priority po ng Philippine National Police. Pagka malapit na po yung election, tama po yan, we have to rely po yung COMELEC control. Kasi ang Philippine National Police will be nasa COMELEC control. So we have to put the names sa ito po yung healthcare natin. But before that, tama po yung sinasabi no, meron po kami proactive approach. You have to, number one, mga private armed groups po natin, no, yun po yung nahabol namin. Next po yung talaga yung mga baril. Kaya marami po kami mga checkpoints po ngayon, no? And that's the number one. And number three, dadagdagan po, yung po may mga high value po na tao, yung mga kasama po na heinous crime. Kaya po, karamihan po na naaano natin yung mga wanted persons. Yun po yung priority po natin. You go for wanted persons po ngayon. Especially yung mga gun for hire, mga nakakulong po na dapat mahuli po. Priority po yan sa Philippine National Police.
Sir, meron po kayong parang mga information na isa ka sa mga line-up for this administration na senatorial district. So, what can you say about this one?
Well, una-una, it's quite flattering for me to consider. I'm really overwhelmed. Pero I will discuss this with the President. Pag-uusapan po namin ito, tungkol po ito. Pero